How to register for HDFC NetBanking. First of all, go to the official HDFC Bank website at www.hdfcbank.com. On the home page, click on the login option in the top right corner and then select NetBanking from the available options. Once the login page opens, click on the Register Now option next to the login fields. Then enter your customer ID, which is provided when you open your HDFC Bank account. After entering the ID, complete the security check and click Continue. Now, you will need to authenticate your identity. You can choose to verify using a registered mobile number and OTP or by entering your debit card details and PIN. After successful verification, you will be asked to set a new IPIN, which will be your net banking password. Make sure it is strong and secure and do not share it with anyone. Once the password is set, your registration is complete. You can now return to the login page, enter your customer ID and new IPIN to access your HDFC NetBanking dashboard. Finally, you can explore various features such as checking your account balance, transferring funds, managing fixed deposits, and more. And that's it. Now you know how to register for HDFC NetBanking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.